Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new passive earning app that you can download onto your phone today. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So guys, the app that we are going to be talking about today is Gener8. So when you open up the app, you'll be greeted with this screen here. So as you can see, it will say good morning and then your name. And then you can see your activity. And then the main section that we are going to be focusing on today is the My Data section shown at the bottom right here. So now these are the ways that you guys can be earning every single day. So first up, we'll go into the active earnings and then we'll slowly progress into the passive earnings. Now, we have their surveys. So their surveys are really good. And the reason why they are so good is you will never get disqualified. And as you can see, their surveys can pay up to 50 points. So from my experience, the surveys either pay you 25 points or 50 points. And so far, I have been able to make 60 points, which is not too bad, not too bad. Now, next up, we have their receipt radar. So as you can see, turn your receipts into rewards. Start by linking the email you use for your online shopping. You automatically earn points for any receipt. Let's go. So first thing, as I said, link your email. Once you link your email, you'll automatically get 50 points into your account. Once you start purchasing items and you'll get the receipts, you'll be able to transfer the receipts into cash or into points, I should say, within the app. So that is the next way you can earn. Now, the other way you guys can earn is through Safari. So this is just searching through Safari. So 8.5 billion searches are made online every day. It's time to get back something when you search. Set up in a few simple steps. Use your points for exclusive rewards. Get started. So, as I said, once you link your Safari account, you'll be greeted with 50 points as well. And then you have to turn on your permissions. And then every time you search, you'll be earning points. And you can earn up to a maximum of 50 points every single day. So yeah, this is another way that you can start earning. And this is just passive income every time you're searching the web on your phone. Now, next up, we have a desktop earning. So this is exactly the same thing as the supercharged Safari, but this is now on your desktop. So when you download the extension, you'll be able to start earning passively through either Firefox or Chrome. So yeah, simple, easy to use, and definitely worth adding to your passive earnings. Now, next up, we have your Google data. So this is a way for you to earn passively every single day. So as you guys can see, every single day I'm earning 1 point. So yeah, it's very consistent, just earning 1 point every single day. And once you link your Google data, you will be greeted with 50 points from the jump. So that is very nice as well. So once you link all these accounts, you'll automatically be greeted with all these 50 points. And then now we're going to go into the cash out section. So now you guys are probably wondering, how do you actually cash out? As you guys can see, there is a range of ways that you can cash out, but the ones that we're going to be focusing on today. So you have the auctions, which I wouldn't personally choose because again, that's just like a chance of winning. And we don't want chances, we want the guaranteed. So now here are their gift cards. So if you click see all gift cards, as you can see, their gift cards are only available at certain times of the day, and there's only a certain amount available. So as you can see, there's Amazon, there's Sainsbury's, there's Tesco, a meal deal, Just Eat, Tesco, a gift card, and the list goes on. However, the ones that we are going to be focusing on today is Amazon. So as you can see, £3 worth of Amazon, and this will cost you 100 points, as you can see here. For every 1 point, or for every £1, I should say, is basically 33 points if you go down the Amazon route. This is a route that I suggest we all go down. On screen right now is payment proof of Gener8. So as you can see, you will receive an email, and with this email, you'll get a link. Once you click on the link, you'll take the code, you'll add that code to your Amazon account, and you will now be £3 richer. Let's get right back to the video. For those who do decide to go down this route, again, sadly, you can't just automatically cash out. You do have to wait for a specific time of day to cash out. But hey, at least they do pay you, and it is legit. So yeah. But yeah, guys, that is the video for you. As always, don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video, comment down below any questions, and I will do my best to support you as much as I can, and subscribe if you're new. Peace.